Here's some units at a ice cream place. Here's this Amana unit. This one has been here. There's the data. Can't really see that. They only have one hand for that giant ice cream thing. And right next to it, there used to be a Dakin unit, but it looks like it got replaced with this brand new Amana unit. That's Cope and Scroll. This is the data for it. This is Dakin as well. I mean, no, this is Amana. It's from 2023. That's the Cope. There's that one. This is actually broken. This logo. So yeah, I don't know what happened to that Dakin, but it looks like it's all replaced. So yeah, there's a video of this brand new Amana unit, and this other one. This one's from 2021, I believe. This one's from 2023. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and over and out.